The next step, we're going to select the container. Of course, we have some container selection, but this is one of them, and we're going to reduce this. But I'm thinking about this is maybe too deep, so take probably more than like a half of this height of the tree, kind of overpower. So we want to see the other container selection. Okay, let's change the other pot. The depth of this pot looks better than the other one, maybe. But in the future, when we find a better one, we still can change the container. So let's reduce the soil first, see which one is the best one. For at this moment, I probably toward to this one. But after reduce it, we review again the 2 pot. Maybe we can use the rectangle pot. Let's take the soil off now. So we're going to take the soil. This is still in good soil, not the root bung. This nursery have a good soil system right here. That's why the tree grows really healthy. Sometimes when you get the root bung, that's really difficult to repot it, take a time. But this one is really good condition. Really good condition. We need to get thinner a little bit because we're going to make an angle. This will be taking the space. There's a big taproot right here. Okay, so we're going to see next process. Okay, we're going to pot it this tree, and we put the screen wire, and we're going to put the lava up. This is for the drainage system, and everybody have a different experience about the potting. Little bit layer of the soil right here. I don't want to waste the soil. I just use the original soil. I think this is a good soil system. We're going to find out how to pot in the tree. Oh, still not splat enough. I need to cut this off. This taproot is really big. Nice. See? I think this one has to be flat. We need to take more soil, look like. Again, this is the big taproot. Gonna wire this tree to make sure they're in the right position, not loose. Let me check from the different distance, see what's going on. It depends on the tree, but this tree I like to put in the center of the container. I would like to show you after we pot it what they look like, and when you have time review it, maybe we can change the better pot. Let's see. So we can see how much we upgrade the tree from original nursery stock to this point. So that's as the bonsai beginner, you need to upgrade it to let the tree go to the better level. Hopefully enjoy this, and let us know if you have any question. You can send us the link, send us some feedback. I appreciate your time. It's good to learn each other, and I know you can do better, and we always learn each other. If you can send you what you're thinking, it's quite different when you do the tree like this. The person do the demo, there's a lot of pressure, okay? And we always walk too close to the tree. The angle is kind of different. You're watching from the TV screen, you will get the different idea, but that different idea, hopefully you can learn, you can upgrade yourself, your knowledge. So it's nothing which one better than the other. So you, the artist, learn by yourself, do whatever you want. The most important in the future, when you see your art in the bonsai show, people give you the better score. That's what you need to do. Thank you. You have a good day.